Um, sorry. October 13 trades I took today. Yeah, I don't really feel that well right now. Fucking crazy migraine. So I was watching this 1475, which is the yesterday's settle and value area low. But plan was to watch the single, and so far we've been rejecting the single pretty crazy. $58 to sell, $59 to sell, instantly bounce up, buyer stepped in. Sellers right there. No more selling. No more selling. Right, you can see barely any sell. Suddenly pushed up. Sellers try again. 20 to buy at 18. Nice little rebid there. Another buyer stepped in there. 23 to sell 19. So right now I'm like, okay, alright, I'm watching if we come back down and retest it. Like, so far I think there's buyers there at 15, potential buyer there, and I'm not too sure, right? I want a confirmation, which is a retest, like to rebid or another fake out. Coming back down. Okay. Retesting it so far. 54 to sell at 17. Sellers right there. So far failing. 17 at 54 to sell. Remember that. Instantly bounce up. 25, 28 to sell. 36 to sell. Nice little impulse low right there. Instantly bid back up, rebid the 17. I should have been long over there. 21, 22. I chased this fucking long right here. Yeah, I even told myself like during live, I'm like, that's a really shit fill. Chased it. And I got my first scale at 42. Yeah, that's the first trade. Let's see if we can get my fills. But yeah, scale the last couple 33 right there. Push my stop loss. I pushed my stop loss up on this trade just because of like hate it. Really hate my setup. I mean not setup, but setup was good. Entry was poor. Execution was poor. Chased it. So just wasn't too comfortable even holding it, right? So I just took my first 20 point and then last just like 13 point or 14 point. Yeah. But this eventually went to like 60s again. Basically went to 60s. Like almost a 40 point trade. Just mismanaged it. Didn't really like my entry. Chased it. Execution was poor. So yeah, didn't have the confidence to hold it. Second trade was been rejecting the 9 and 20 EMA so far. Nice little fake out here. I was watching, didn't join it. And right now C77, some selling coming in. Right. More selling breakdown, push down. This is a stupid trade. 100% could have been 100% could have avoided it. Shorting the breakdown, instantly pushed up against me. break low, didn't scale anything, but I just cut everything for basically break even, only 1 point. Yep. This thing eventually pushed up to 80s and dump, right? But just stupid trade in general. 100% could have been avoided. Third setup, third trade was fighting the trend basically, right? This trade could have been avoided, could have been avoided as well, but just taking trades at my level of interest and setup. So approaching new low, watching the 86 to 80. Let's see what happened here. Nice little kick down. I really like that kick down right there. I want to see. Let's see if we rebid it. Basically, I want to see rebid. 23 to sell. Nice little selling right there. Okay, selling tried. 42 to sell. Let's see what I could have done differently here. Another kick down right there. I took a long. Not a bad setup, in my opinion. That's why I moved my stop like 7 points. Yeah, this trade didn't work out. Just strong sell and barely any bids today. Like no buyer showing up. And yeah, buying came in 85, and we just kept failing. Yep, took my stop there. That's the third trade for the day. Also could have been avoidable. This trade, the last trade could have been avoidable. Look at this. Rejecting the chop, rejecting the 20 EMA, just basically a trend down, right? And then we just from 265 dumped this shit all the way down 80 points. Don't know why I'm stepping in front of the train. Last trade for the day. This is yeah. Basically trap buying, and then I was watching this low here, tested the one, tested this, we broke it, broke this strongly, push back up. Let's see what you get a lower high. I was watching a lower high to short. Been rejecting the 90 MA and 20s though. Basically a trend down day, right? Right now I'm only up like basically 1.5 R. Not even 2 R, 1.5 R. Still rejecting the 90 MA. ES, same as well. Very slow, right? It's already 11:20. It's like, okay, 57 to sell. That's interesting. Even though my route is to ignore these big buy, like random big buying, big selling coming out of nowhere, but that's from the 9 EMA. I'm like, okay, possibly like this trade. This is a poor execution for sure. Basically, not really any setup, in my opinion. Like, can we recheck it or retest? Retest these 86. Can we feel these 86 guy? Took a short after we rejected it. This thing instantly went against me for a couple points, like 6 points. Could have had a better entry for sure, but there were just besides that selling, there's basically no setup at all for this trade. Yeah, no setup at all for this trade. Took my first scale, I think like 20 points, right? Never mind. Took my first scale for 10 points. I don't know. I think 10 points, 20 points. Yeah, 10 point. Took my 20. But then took my last one 20 point as well. Yeah. Poor execution, poor management, trade management. It was like, yeah, I have to call it as it is. But yeah, these are the trades I took today. And I think the only opportunity I saw for was this guy right here. So far we've been trending down, rejected the 20 EMA like twice. I was watching this time we can reject the 20 EMA. Right. It's a pretty nice kick up on it, like 2 times right at the 9 EMA. 20 EMA at 90s, I believe. So yeah, 93 there, I'm pretty sure. Okay. 61 to sell. Fail right there. Well, okay. The 90s, like we offer, kick up, fail. Yeah.